you want to learn how I was able to accomplish that? Keep watching. Guys, remember that whenever you are doing something like that, your phone should be stable. Yes, when it comes to any video editing like that, your phone should be in one particular spot till you are done. And this time around, you don't need a tripod stand. Place your phone on the ground, because you are going to stand in a way that it will look as if you are higher than the building. We will do the experiment just now. We will do the illustration so that you will understand. So you are going to stand as if you are taller than the building. That is in the first video. And in the second video, you just need to go close to it, and then you will look smaller, something like that. So from there, we'll be able to get it. So guys, are you ready? Let's go there. So guys, remember I said we are going to do 2 separate videos. Now, first of all, place your phone on the ground, on the floor. This time around, you don't need a tripod. Just place your phone on the ground, and you need a building like this that has this straight line for you to be able to achieve this. And then you stand in the middle of that line, of that straight line, and you stand as if you are taller than the building. Can you see this, guys? Hope you can see what I'm explaining. Now you stand as if you are taller than the building, just like this. And then you start doing anything you want to do, any display. So me, for this tutorial, I'll just be doing something like this. As if I'm a giant. Like this. So you can do it for like 10 seconds, 20 seconds, as the case may be. Guys, are you seeing this? So when you are done with this, you are going to do another video, separate video. You can still do it in the same video. When you want to edit, you know how to cut it and bring the second one in. So you are going to do another video of you walking close to the building, but not too close, and make sure your camera is still in the same place. Guys, just watch this, and make sure you are not leaving the camera. Okay, so guys, you just stand here and you'll be doing as if you are looking for the giant trouble. So you'll be doing like this, then you will be running like this. So you just demonstrate. It's just like you're acting drama. So you just be doing like this, You can also do this for like 10 seconds, 15 seconds, as the case may be. It depends on how long you want it to be. So guys, now that we are done filming the both characters, the next thing to do now is to go to Capcut and do the final editing. Ready? Let's go. So guys, you click on the Capcut app, and then you click on new project, and you import the video of you using your arms to beat your chest, the one that look as if you are taller than the building behind you. So you click on this one, and then this is the video. Then you click on add, and then we are going to overlay the other video when I was facing the building. So you click on overlay, click on add overlay, and then click on the video. This is it. So just click on the video of you doing your own demonstration, and then click on add. So don't forget to always resize this overlay so that it will be the same with the first video. So once you are done doing that, you swipe to your right hand side and you search for mask. So this is mask. You click on mask, and then you click on horizontal. So you are going to, this is the horizontal line, you are going to turn this horizontal line upside down to the other side, and then just watch out, guys. Let's do this together like this. So just turn it and make sure you do the arrangement so that it will come out perfect for you. So I'm going to drag it down a bit, let it be on top of the roof. Do you see that? That's why I said it's advisable you use a straight roof like this so that your video will come out perfect. So when you are done, click on this check sign. So if you notice, guys, there is this brightness that the first video has that this second one does not have. it is not actually my fault. It is the fault of the weather and the phone. So I don't know why it's like this, but don't allow this to bother you. All you need to do is click on the video that you think needs some editing. You understand? Click on it and then swipe to the right hand side and search for adjust. So you can always adjust the brightness so that it will be exactly the same with the first one. Guys, you do see that? So as you can see, there is no difference again. So that is it for this video, guys. When you are done, you click on the check sign, you export your video to your gallery and ready to post. So you can always add any audio, any sound you want. You can always do it here and you are good to go. Let me play the video for you to see. So guys, this is it. Wow, I hope you have learned something new. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, kindly subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so that when next I post a video, you will be the first person to get notified. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like this video and share to other people. There are people that also want to learn. Share it to them. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.